Okay, everyone. Today I have a 2003 Acura RSX. The customer complained of a loud rattling noise, so I decided to check it out for him because a friend of mine actually. And this is just a information video. I just want to share with you what I found. Don't think that it's always your timing chain, because this car have a timing chain. What I did is I took the valve cover off and I checked the timing chain tension. It looks pretty tight. Not look, but feel pretty tight. I turn it counterclockwise and it's still tight. So I decided to check the cam. Excuse me for the light. And this is what I found. The exhaust cam on number 3 cylinder. Look at that. It ate this cam all the way down. As you can see, this is bad. And I also have a vibration inside the oil pan. I started the car up and I touched the oil pan and I can feel the vibration inside the oil pan, but the oil pan is not bent. I also hear not vibration, but rattling noise through the intake when the car is running. So now that I've found the issue with the exhaust cam on number 3 cylinder, probably the rod bearing might have gone bad also. But to take the oil pan off on this car, you have to lower the subframe. You don't have to take it off, but you have to unbolt the subframe to get the oil pan out to check it. But since I found the bad cam lobe, that in other words, it ate the cam lobe, it's probably lack of maybe oil causing the issue. All the other cams are good. All the other cam lobe, the intake looks good. It's just the exhaust one. But the oil looks pretty clean. There's no sludge or anything. So I'm not sure why it ate the cam. If you have any idea, maybe you can let me know. Or maybe just it just got so hot, not enough oil through that, and just ate the cam. But the roller, you can't see the roller, the lifter roller. You can't see it until you really take the cam off. But I'm moving it right now and I don't feel any low spot on it. So I'm not sure why it would eat this cam. But the bearing might have spun also. So yeah, just check the cam before you think is the timing chain, because I did fix a Nissan Frontier with that rattling noise and I found out it was a timing chain. The guy, the plastic piece on the guy had broken off, so the chain was rubbing on the metal. But before you do anything else, just check the cam lobe, make sure they're all good. But I think this engine, it's probably toast. There's too much work to do to even replace it. You got to drop the oil pan also to see what other rattling noise it got So I'm just gonna put this back together and give it back to my friend and my customer. But yeah, this is just for your information what I found. Don't always think it's the timing chain that's loose when it make that rattling noise. Check all your cam lobe. Just turn the crank, take the valve cover off, turn the crank, and check each cam lobe. Make sure it's not full bar like this. I hope you guys know what full bar stands for. But all right, have a good night.